In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a scored assessment in Outgrow. If you're new to Outgrow, this is a powerful platform for creating interactive content like quizzes, assessments, and calculators. And it's a great way to boost engagement with your audience. Whether you're running a business or just want to level up your digital marketing, you can use Outgrow to capture leads and create valuable, personalized experiences for your visitors. To get started, you'll first need to log into your Outgrow account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry. There's an exclusive free trial link below that gives you full access with added bonuses. So you can start creating right away without any upfront costs. Now let's dive in. Once you're in the Outgrow dashboard, click on Create New to start a new project. You'll be prompted to choose the type of content you want to create. For a scored assessment, you'll select Quiz from the list of options. The goal here is to create a fun, engaging quiz that will provide valuable insights to your audience while also helping you gather leads. Next, you'll move to the Quiz Builder. This is where all the magic happens. The interface is user-friendly, so you won't need to be a tech expert to get this up and running. You'll start by adding your questions. Make sure to keep them clear and concise, as you want to provide an enjoyable experience for your users. Each question can have multiple choice answers, and each answer will have a score associated with it. This is where you define the scoring for the assessment. For instance, if you're running a health assessment, your questions might range from lifestyle habits to medical history. Each answer will carry a weight, say 10 points for a healthy answer, 5 points for a neutral answer, and 0 points for an unhealthy one. This scoring will determine how high or low the user's overall result is. Once your questions are set up, you can customize the logic. Outgrow allows you to create conditional flows based on how users answer each question. This means you can direct users down different paths depending on their score or answers, making your quiz highly personalized and engaging. If you're targeting specific customer segments, this is a perfect feature to take advantage of. After you've built out your questions and scoring system, you'll move on to customizing the results page. This is where the real value of your scored assessment comes in. You want to make sure the results are tailored to the score your users have earned. Whether they score high, low, or somewhere in between, you can provide personalized recommendations or feedback based on their score. This is a great way to engage users and provide them with insights that matter to them. Before you publish, make sure to test the quiz to ensure everything is working as expected. You want to confirm that the scoring is accurate and that the flow is smooth. Outgrow has a built-in preview option, so you can easily test it out before launching. Once you're happy with the quiz, it's time to share it with your audience. Outgrow gives you several options for embedding the quiz directly into your website or sharing it via a link. You can also integrate it with email marketing tools, CRMs, and social media platforms to maximize reach. Lastly, once your quiz is live, you'll want to track how it performs. Outgrow offers detailed analytics, so you can see how users are interacting with your quiz, which questions are performing well, and how much engagement you're getting. Now, to wrap up, remember that creating a scored assessment in Outgrow is a great way to boost user engagement and gather valuable lead data. It's easy to set up, and with the scoring system, you can offer personalized experiences for your users, which will keep them coming back for more. If you're ready to create your own scored assessment, remember to use the exclusive link in the description below for a free trial with added bonuses. Start creating now and see just how easy it is to build interactive, engaging content with Outgrow.